AI recently released their official model Kimi K3. This is the largest open frontier intelligence, and this model has a 2.8 trillion parameter model. So actually, Kimi AI invite me to use their recent model K3 model, and this invitation is from Yachen, and they just let me use their premium subscriptions and try to figure out the model, the capability of the model. Okay, so here you can see the invitations, and this says it's the potentially one of the largest open source model with 1 million token context window and native multimodality. And they said actually they hadn't officially released yet, but right now maybe it's available. I got this message few days ago, and here my invitations link. Okay, so I will claim these invitations and try to use Kimi and how it's actually work. Okay, so to access the invitations, I will just go to their link and it redirect to here. I will have to open an accounts here. I have already an account, so that's why I will log in to my accounts. Let me choose my email, and so you can see the intro is here. Kimi K3 evolves for you with 2.8 trillion parameter, 1 million token context window, and isn't run in chat, complex tasks on go. Kimi evolves with every use, sharpen edge, coding, research, and beyond. Okay, so I will try it. So let me click here. Let's go. So look, the gift has been claimed because they invite me the premium plan, and right now I claim that plan. You can see I'm using Allegro. So this is actually the invitations, and the price is $99 per month. Okay, so thank you Kimi AI to offer me this. Okay, so let's try to actually use that one. Okay, so for doing this, here at the beginning, what you can do, here you can see some of the inspirations you can get from here. If you need to build a website, you can click this, and here you can see the demo website that actually built by Kimi. You can review any of it. Okay, so for example, let me show you one. I think which one I actually see. Okay, okay, color room. Let me try this one. Okay, so this website is pretty cool. It's much better and aesthetic. And this is memory lab, flow, vortex gallery. And okay, there are lots of websites. Let me preview this one. Sorry, no, we don't select it. I wanna preview it. Okay, much better design and everything is okay. So I will try to build a simple something website. Okay, so I will let me just say make a interactive snake game in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file. Okay, I just simply prompt something like this, and let me just choose K3. So this is the latest model, and I am using that model with high priority. And let me just prompt this. Okay, so now it's actually thinking, and you can read this thinking. If you want to learn actually the capability of AI, you should read this, and you will learn how they actually work, how they think, and how you can improve your prompting much better by reading their thinking of AI. Okay. So now this is actually selecting tools. It's actually requesting MS tools, web versions, and lots of stuff. Then again thinking, okay, I will have to wait for a few minutes so that this is completed. And I will show the results. I just put this simple prompt. It's a average one line prompt. And along with this, I actually let me show you some features of it. Here you can see, let me show it from here. Okay. So here you can see from actually Kimi, you have lots of plugins. You can access all of these plugins and just connect it and use it. Okay. Here you can see you can connect with Stripe, Canva, audio generation, video generation, Notions, and lots of stuff is there. You can find Cloudflare, just Supabase, Neon. And also, World Bank data is available here. You can just get finance related data, productivity, code, and deployments. Here you can see all of this stuff. So this is the plugin sections, and there is a scheduled tasks. So if you want your AI to work 24 hours, you can just schedule tasks, and they can actually run the tasks on schedule basis and just give you the automatic results to your notifications. Okay, here is Shorm. So it's another great feature made by actually Kimi. And here is the sum of the results of Agent Shorm. It's actually a more capable Agent Shorm. Okay. Then if you want to make slides, here you can see there are lots of slides already pre-built. You can use any of these. You can see how much elegant these slides are. Okay, so you can use this type of interactive slides, and here lots of example. You can pull any of this example and just make your own. Okay, and then here is for deep research. If you want to do some research work, you can also do that. Here you can see uh, 42 years of silicon. Okay, so this is a historical research. Here is interactive papers, and you can see this paper is much more elegant, and you cannot actually ignore these results. Look how elegant these results, the presentations, the equations, and you can also play that um, uh, layering, and you can just get the results also from here. Okay, so next thing is that here, if you want to make websites, there is a dedicated tab for that. Then for doc, it's the documentation. If you need to create documentation, here is there. For Excel sheet, another dedicated section is there. You can collapse it. And the most thing is that you can use Kimi work, Kimi code, Kimi claw. Okay, if you click the plus icon, you can add the claw here. And most interesting thing for the developer is you can use Kimi code. Okay, this is actually CLI, and by using this CLI, you can actually work with terminal, and you can also just connect it with your IDE. So install it on VS Code is very easy. Just click here, install a plugin, and you can use it there. Okay, and the thing, I will actually almost cover every features here, and let me check the snake game. The snake game is ready here, and you can click this publish button to actually publish this game. And for here you can see, let me try to play it. So you can just switch to the preview mode, and you can see you will get the uh, mobile icon. You can just get it, or you can just open in the full preview mode. Okay, so let me play this. I am not a big fan of game playing, but I think it's much better. If you need to improve the game, you can also do that. Oh, I got that. I scored 30 right now, 40, and speed is 5. Okay, fine. I just playing the game more perfectly. Okay, so that's why I'm happy actually. So Kimi offered me a paid plan, and I just playing game. Okay, so let me try a more. Okay, it's doing complexity right now, and I feel okay. 100 scores. Okay, I just stopped that. And here you can see the overview is here. Game over, you scored 100 and new test scores. Okay, it's much better. You can just publish this and just keep it stored for the futures. You can also have the all the files. You can preview it. You can just see the code here. Okay, you can see your code. All the code is written by the AI, and I think it's much better actually. You can just try to use Kimi and just let me comment. Is this working properly? And your performance testing with Claude Code or GLM or others AI models. And let me your opinion in the comment sections.